It was Sunday morning. The
Yung antena kasi that was installed
church
church.
bells were ringing. There is no need to hurry.
Meron din yung electrical.
Anyway, Benilda said to herself as she hugged her pillow closer, I will just get up when I want to. Sunday is a rest day, she thought. Suddenly, she got up. She remembered that she should be in church early. She Linda, oh my, why did I forget? Benilda said, looking at the big clock.
Ano nga ulit ito? Ano ulit ito?
Church.
Ano?
Church. Dito na, hanggang dito lang tayo. Mother hug. Mr. Santos had a big mother pig. He put the hug in a pen made of wood and cement. One morning, Mr. Santos found 7 piglets in the pen. He was very